Solana could have some massive growth in 2025, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to buy Solana step by step. I'll walk you through which exchanges you can use depending on where you live and how to get the lowest fees possible, whether you pay by card or with a bank transfer. Let's start with buying using a credit or debit card. For this, I'll be using Toobit, which is a global exchange available in most countries. If it's not available in your country, you can still use a VPN as the exchange does not require KYC. I've also left a sign up link in the description that gives you a $15,000 bonus when you create your account and further reduces your fees by giving you rebates when you buy crypto. At the top left on Toobit, you'll see buy crypto and then buy crypto with Visa or MasterCard. Instead of buying Solana directly, it's better to first buy a stablecoin like USDT, which is basically a one-to-one peg with the US dollar. For example, if I enter £100, that gives me around $131 in USDT. The fee is only about 2.5%, which is actually very low compared to most card purchases. Once the payment goes through, the USDT will show up in your account right away. Now we can trade that USDT for Solana. Just go to trade, hit spot, and then search for Sol. Choose the Sol/USDT pair, and on this page you'll see the chart, the order book, and your buying options. You can use a limit order where you set the price you want to pay and wait for the order to fill, or you can use a market order which buys instantly at the current market price. If you don't want to wait, just enter the amount, click buy, and the coins will be in your account right away. That's the quick way to buy with a card, but if you want much lower fees, a bank transfer will give you the best deal. For that, I'll show you how to use Kraken. Now, if you try to buy with a card on Kraken, the fees can be very high as you pay about 5% in fees, and then on top of that, they sell the coins to you at a higher price. But if you deposit funds with a bank transfer, you can get that fee down to around 0.4%, which will save you a lot of money. Once you create and verify your account, go to transfer or funding at the top right and select deposit. Then choose your local currency, whether that's dollars, euros, pounds, or something else, and pick the bank transfer option that works in your country. Some transfers are completely free, and even the ones with fees are usually just a couple of dollars. After you send the transfer and your funds arrive, go back to the top right and open Kraken Pro. In Kraken Pro, you just search for the ticker for Solana and then pick the pair that matches your currency, like Sol/USD. The trading screen is very similar to Toobit. You've got the chart, the order book, and the buy panel. Again, you can place a limit order if you want to set your price, or choose a market order if you want to buy instantly. Just enter the amount you want, confirm the order, and the coins will be in your account. And that's it. 2 easy ways to buy in just a few short minutes. If you found this helpful, check the links in the description for sign-up bonuses. And if you want to watch my $50 to $1 million trading challenge live, check out my Twitch and Kick, which are up here and up here.